This video, we're going to check out this pet grooming comb from Temu. Go check this out. You are watching Carlo and Seb channel. Subscribe for more. Do you have any dogs or cats? This is a perfect comb that you will ever have. And for less than $5, you will be able to be in love with this one like we did. Today, we're going to wash Sophia. Sophia, here. I give her a treat. And we have this one for today. This one is a really good one to use. Because you just do this. There you go. It's kind of like giving her a shower. And look. What? And at the same time, she is being washed. I love it. And then the fur is not gonna go all over the place at home. She doesn't like to have this one on her belly. Look. And it's easy because you take it like that. And then ta-da! So I got this one from Temu. The best purchase that you're ever going to have from Temu is this one. And it's like $3 or $4, so you cannot beat that. I think it's only just $2 or something. I will post it in there, but let's do more. The good thing about this one too is that you can put water inside. See? What? Crazy. Sophia. So I wet the piece of paper in here. And then also what you can do is put some water inside or oil, but I'm not that fancy. I just put water and then I wet this one. I wrap this one around like so and then do that. There's two brush on this one. This one I don't typically use this because this one is kind of like so fine. This is the one that I typically use. Look, it's a really good catch on her fur. This one has nothing in it, see? But we'll try again. So look at that. It's a lot. I'll bring her to you guys. Again, this part, she doesn't like because it needs to be on her pepe. Sophia! And she doesn't like to do it on her tail. So every 2 to 3 days we do this one just to make sure that she is not going to shed a lot. And you can tell that we didn't really do it lately because there's a lot of that. And then I'm going to try to use the small one. Come here, baby. Let's see if there's any catch that we will get from that. Yeah. I know. See, it's useless. I don't have anything. So I typically use this one. The other one. Good thing I caught her. She's already ready to go. I know. I'm sorry. The last thing is I turn her around and I do this a little bit. But she's mad right now. She doesn't like it. Just this part and we still have a lot. So that's it. So this is not an endorsement, but this one is the things that we use at home, and then you're just going to take this off and then pull it out, and then there you go. And then you have this one again. So like I said, we bought this one from Temu. If you're interested on that, I'm not endorsing Temu or anything. I'm not paid to endorse Temu or anything. This is just the things that we like from Temu that is very cheap and useful. So this is one of them. We love this one. It's been like 3 months that we're using this one with her, and then yeah, so it gives her the clean that we're supposed to have, so that she's not going to shed in the house too much. And then at the same time, it gives her a massage, because if you're going to feel it, it's kind of like a massage that it will give to you. And then yeah, so I hope you like this short video that we have, and then if you like this video, subscribe, comment below, and then let us know what other Temu or other products that you want us to review for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo, and we'll see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. Until next time, bye.